Hi guys, so are you? I'm Robin. Welcome back, or welcome to my YouTube channel. This little world right here is Man for Himself. If you like hair product reviews, grooming, skincare, fragrance, and videos like this, then please do press subscribe right now. Okay, we have been talking about sort of, are you gonna grow your hair, are you gonna cut it? I thought it actually might be quite interesting to ask the people in the know, barbers who see men like us day to day, and who might have a bit of a crystal ball into the future about what might happen with hair trends. Disclaimer, I'm not a trends fan, but trends do paint a bit of a picture of a time, which I think is really quite interesting, especially at a time like this. It will be interesting to see where things visually go. So I've asked some of friends of Man for Himself, barbers who we've had into the studio, and also some barbers who have submitted some of their hairstyles onto the hairstyle directory on manforhimself.com. So these guys certainly know their stuff. Okay.
I think in terms of trends, obviously we're not seeing a lot of the influences that people get with haircuts is through sports and like fashion weeks. I think there's going to be a lot of people just wanting to just take it shorter because they've just been sick and tired of having the length. I think a lot of people have realised that shaving their hair or cutting it shorter, that, you know, what they've done themselves, have actually realised that it's a good look. And then also, I think we're going to see people with longer lengths, people who have grown their hair and sort of taken this opportunity to see what it's like to grow the hair and actually enjoyed it.
I think there's going to be a lot of experimentation the first visit. The guys who started getting that really close crop during lockdown might try keep it going. The guys who tried to let their hair grow long might, and I think they probably will for the first visit especially, leave it a little bit longer, but ultimately I think things will go back to its natural order.
I think it will be very similar to how it was before. With the kind of a bit more softer grown out looks, more softer on the outlines and what have you. I think lockdown would have probably got more people enjoying having longer hair, and then they've kind of gone past that kind of like awkward growing out stage, and I think a lot of people will be enjoying it. There will definitely be some people who aren't enjoying it being longer, but I still think that the trends are going to continue with what they were before, and that was softer grown out hair, softer in the outlines.
I can see male hair trends getting really short, although I'd like them to stay a little bit longer. People embracing the length that they've grown in lockdown. But unfortunately, I think that short is going to be the way to go. It's clean, it's fresh, and it's low maintenance.
There's going to be a trend born out of necessity, and I think it's a haircut that we've seen on social media quite a lot and on YouTube. It's the buzz cut. And I think that's definitely, it's going to be liberating, or it has been liberating for some guys already, but I think it's going to carry back over into the salon. And I think we're going to be able to maybe give guys a more refined version of the buzz cut and show them that this is a haircut that can be smart and can still be cool, even though it's very short. Secondly, men's longer hair, men growing their hair out into more kind of 90s kind of grungy indie kind of shapes. All through this process, I've had guys sending me pictures of, you know, high fashion really.
There's going to be a lot of guys out there who maybe enjoy having the extra little bit of length that they wouldn't normally have because they've not been able to get a haircut. Whether that's worn looser and more textured, or if they're still sweeping it back and wearing it a little bit neater. Either way, I think a lot of guys are going to be enjoying slightly longer lengths. I don't think it's going to come sort of shoulder length or ponytail length. I think that as a trend has kind of had its day when we had the man buns. And then I think for me, the other trend we're going to see a lot of is we're going to see a resurgence of the sort of skinhead. I think they're probably going to want to make it a little bit less just a one grade, and they'll be coming back and they'll be maybe having a skin fade to give it a little bit more shape and keep a bit more of a narrower shape by keeping slightly more length on the top.
If you've been shaving your hair short to keep it nice and tamed, I believe coming out of this, you're going to need to keep a short hairstyle to bring that haircut back into today's fashion. Primarily by shaving the sides short and letting the top grow out. If you've been like myself and let your hair grow long, then I believe now might be a time to see what style will suit you with longer hair. You might have had shorter hair before, and now you've got a bit more length to play with, so why not be adventurous? See what you can get away with.
So you definitely don't need to be some sort of fortune teller to know that it's either going to be the short or the long. But what I found really interesting here is that the sort of common theme and the messaging from each of these barbers are that this is a time where men like you and me are kind of getting to know their own sort of hair identity. I mean, do you like it super short? Are you enjoying the longer sides, which I am at the moment, you know, having it slightly longer and swooping it back over my ears. I'm actually enjoying. So this is a chance to experiment, and it's also a chance to kind of make what you might look back on as hair mistakes. Hang on in there. We are almost, I hope, there. When you do go back to your barber, then you will be able to have this fresh canvas of something where you can work with those super short styles or allow yourself to experiment with the longer styles. Thank you very much to the barbers that have been involved in this video. I have linked all of the details down below. You can also check out some of the cuts that they've done on the hairstyle directories at manfromself.com. These pages are filling up fast and kind of provide a bit of a lookbook to you guys to kind of know maybe where you want to go with your hair, or maybe where you don't want to go. It's always good to have options. But thank you again for watching. Really hope you've enjoyed this one. If you have and you've still not pressed follow, then please do press follow right now. The button is just there. There's also more video suggestions there and a link to the hairstyle directory there. But I will see you in my next new video. Bye-bye.